going to Spa. The Belgian Raceway Spa is renovating like a mug. Already looking ahead, Spa has shown its project to be done for 2022. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be a 10-year thing, so I'm not sure if they started in 2012 or if they just started it like I'll say like last year, 2018 or some shit like that, and are now completing certain sections of it because it's like a 10-year thing. It's like a 10-year project that they had funded and all that stuff. So renovations were needed to obtain the license necessary for MotoGP racing to come back to the track, and they were doing, they added a bunch of stuff. They changed up and added longer runoff areas in certain corners. They added gravel traps and they expanded traps as well. All that does is allow for a greater chance for the bikers to slow down and for I guess less high speed actual crashes and stuff against walls and all that stuff of that nature. The runoff areas used to be straight up asphalt and tarmac, but they changed that stuff up to gravel, and that allows for a higher rate of friction, which allows for cars to slow down more if they run off track. Now, obviously, this is going to affect more than just MotoGP because this track is going to be set for the endurance championship. Is going to be set for Formula One. Basically any racing event that occurs at Spa is going to be subject to these changes, and I feel as though it's not only safer for riders and drivers alike, it's safer for the fans and safer for marshals, all that stuff that's going to be, or stewards, whatever the fuck they're called in that shit, in that time frame, in that spectacle, in that space. There you go, in that space. Now, the one thing I have a problem with is that they plan on adding new grandstands and VIP boxes, which adds about 13,000 new seats. Although, like I said, this is over a 10-year span. I'm not 100% sure when it started, but they're saying some of this shit is supposed to be done by 2022. My thing is, I don't know how long this COVID stuff gonna last, and I don't know if you even gonna be able to add in all them fucking fans. So, don't know how you really gonna make that prosper, but obviously, they got new VIP boxes too, so they're planning ahead for, I guess, when this stuff is over. Motorsports is gonna be here for a long time, so they're investing for a long time, not a short time. Now this shit cost a ton of money, 80 million euros, funded not only by the track itself, but funded by a loan from, I want to say a bank, but I'm not 100% sure what the loan was from. And funded by the Motorsports Industry Bank or some shit like that. The government bank. Like a government bank or something like that for the area or whatever. It was also funded by them. Obviously, that track probably when it has fans and advertisements and all that stuff running, it has plenty of money coming in. So 80 million euros, I feel like they're gonna make that up within a decent amount of time. But this COVID stuff is gonna throw a fucking what's that phrase? It's gonna throw a wrench in the plans. I don't know if they're gonna be able to come back and prosper. I don't want to say profit. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna be able to profit off of that. So Spa, let's see what happens in the next coming years.